So, hello, my little pretties. Yes, welcome to Cray Cray's Corner. So, I'm freaking bored. That's why I say I can't wait till the summer vacation is over so I can go back to work. So, anywho, in the interim, I decided to make some sort of pastry, and for the love of God, I just mixed some stuff up. And let me tell you something, with a cup of coffee, it tastes so good. But it's in between a biscuit, a cookie, a muffin, or whatever else you want to incorporate as to the similarity. So here goes. I just baked these and I added my own little here's and there's. So this looks like a donut, a Danish, looks like a biscuit. What did I say? A cookie, a muffin, whatever. I just concocted something, incorporated something together. I said, let me do this. So inside these babies, there's peach preservative with peanut butter, coated with brown sugar, a bit of peach preservative, some chocolate chips on the top and the inside, and coconut flakes. Okie dokie. That's where my boredom took me. And I had 2 of them. Okay, I'm lying. I had 3 with a cup of coffee, and OMG, I don't know what I've created, but my masterpiece in Cray Cray's Corner is going to be called the chocolate muffin cookie biscuit donuts, incorporated with coconut flakes and chocolate chips inside and out. That's all I have for you. This is what happens when you get bored. Bon appetit. It looks so pretty. Okay, bye.